What traits should a good leader have? A good leader is not merely a good listener, but also a good follower. Listening means nothing if you don't put into action. There are 8 characters for a good leader. Number 1, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Number 2, a great leader listens with purpose and leads with example. And number 3, you cannot lead others until you learn to follow with humility. Number 4, true leadership begins with service, not status. Number 5, listening is the first step to understanding. Understanding is the first step to leading. Number 6, a leader's strength lies not in commanding, but in connecting. Number 7, leadership is not proven by how loud your voice is, but how will you uplift others. And number 8, and the last one, the best leaders are those who never stop learning from others, from failures, and from silence. Thank you for watching.